from turning this into this. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to edit your video with KineMaster using chroma key and how I did my channel intro.
Open up your KineMaster and click on the project and you choose 16 by 9 and you click on OK. Then you go to your media, import your background. So I'll be clicking on the background I have on my phone. I'm going to be choosing this. Okay. Then you expand the background to the length of the video you're putting in. So let's bring in the video. You're going to bring in the video by clicking on layer and click on the media and check for your video from your phone. I'm using this video, crop it, so I'm going to use only one side. This, so I'm going to expand it the way I want, and I'm going to shift it, and crop it, and click on OK. So I have my video and the background set. So all I'm going to do is check if my video and the background are of the same length. So I'm going to reduce this by clicking on the background, click on the scissors and trim to right playhead. Okay, so the background and the picture are now of the same size. So click on the video and go to chroma key and enable it. I can either adjust it like this by clicking on this, I'm going to go ahead and adjust my video from the background in order not to cover the flash screen. Okay, so it's been set now, so let's play and try it out.
Back to my channel, Cherish Coco. If this is your first time on this channel, don't forget.
Okay, our video is saved and is ready. Okay, so this is it, and check the video. Next thing you need to do is click on the export it in the resolution you want. So I'm going to leave it on a high resolution and click on export.
This is a bonus video on how to place ad on your videos. Watch it and enjoy it. Thank you so much. Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to place an ad on your video manually. Okay, normally there is an automatic ad that will come on your video as long as you put on your monetization. You can place more ad on your video. Okay, so in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to do that. So go to your phone, go to Google or Google Chrome. So I'll be using Chrome. Let it load and you go to your YouTube channel. Go to YouTube, type in YouTube. Okay, so you let it load. You go to your setting, the three dots up, you go to the setting, you click on desktop sites, click on the box. Okay, let it load. Then you go to your profile picture and click on YouTube Studio. Let it load. Okay, click on the video. Click on the video from your YouTube Studio. Okay, so let it load and go to the video you want to place ad on. Click on the video that is longer than 10 minutes, okay, not lesser than 10 minutes. Click on the video that is longer than 10 minutes. So I'll be using this video for this tutorial. Click on it, let it load, then you go to the money sign, the dollar sign, sorry, go to the dollar sign, the monetization, click on it, then you see monetization off, just leave it on. Put the monetization sign on, then you click all the box, make sure the skippable ads, non skippable ads, everything is skipped, then you press on manage row. Click on the manage row, the blue line. Okay, in this video I'll be deleting the ads I already put. So in order for me to show you how you can place the ad by yourself, so I have to delete this, delete. Then you scroll down, then there's a straight line. You can drag the straight line to where you want your ads to play from. So you have to place drag the blue line to the beginning of the video, then click on the ad break, then shift the line again, click on ad break, shift the line, click on ad break, shift the line, click on ad break, shift the line again, click on ad break, shift the arrow again, then place a ad break. So play with this until you are satisfied with the ads you want to put on your video, and you click on continue, you click on the continue, and you click on save. Click on save, then it will take you back to then you can go back to your YouTube studio. Go back to your YouTube studio, and that's all about placing ads on your video manually. So please, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, hit the like button, and don't forget to put a comment at the comment section. If you also have a video request, please put that in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. See you soon on my next video. Bye.